Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Red color, brown color, black color, blue color, and the next one is yellow color, green color. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1 and now we use red color. Now we draw 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. The number of 2, T-W-O, 2. And now we draw 3. The number of 3. The next one is 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6. Brown color. Now we draw the number of 6. 6. S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Kids, now we draw the number of 8. The number of 8. And the next one is 9. Now we draw 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Now we draw 10. The number of 10. T-E-N, 10. The next one is 11. Now we use black color and draw the number of 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now we draw 13. The number of 13. And the next one is 14. Now we draw 14. 15. Now we draw the number of 15. And the next one is 16. Now we draw 16. Kids, now we use blue color. Now we draw the number of 16. And the next one is 17. We again use blue color. Now we draw the number of 18. The number of 18. The next one is 19. Now we draw 19. The last one is 20. The number of 20. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.